And watch right as I go to upload this, the video will be back up. Well, what did I tell you? Hello everybody, this is Cheeseburger Jesus, and, well, it finally happened. I got a copyright strike. Now, it may surprise you on how or what cut the strike. As I've alluded to, the video's back up so you can't go looking for a missing video. It was the DDLC modded finale video. It wasn't anything to do with the video itself, but it was the thumbnail that got me copyright struck. It took me a bit to realize it, though, that it was the thumbnail. And that was mainly because it was my first day back in school. I got an email around 6:40 saying I got a copyright strike right as homeroom was, right as I was about to go to homeroom to get my schedule. So I wasn't really able to focus on it. But I was able to come in contact with the copyright holder via Steam because I couldn't find their email on mobile. We came to an agreement that I would give them credit and they restore the video. And now the video is restored. So I really just shortened it down because I had recorded like 10 minutes last time, and uh, it wasn't a happy video, but this is as I was shortened it down. So if you still have any questions, which you probably will considering how much I left out, just ask me in the comments. I'll hopefully answer them. And it gets me to where I am right now, a lucky man, really lucky man who no longer has a copyright strike. I hope this never happens again, but I know it will just because I'm too carefree with copyright strike, or with copyright in general. Well, just had to rush this out, but this is Cheeseburger Jesus signing out. Bye-bye!